and welcome to Lulu Lulu. Today we're going to read you the story of Colors with Ladybird. Once upon a time, little Ladybird said, I have shiny boots and they're all bright red. Caterpillar asked, do you like orange too? At the end of this trail there is an orange boot for you. Fluffy Chick said, finding boots is fun. This trail leads to a shiny yellow one. Croaky Frog said, I like the color green, and I'm sending you a green boot. It's the loveliest boot I have seen. Dragonfly hovered, saying, here is a boot that's blue. It's flying through the air and coming down to you. And Butterfly fluttered, saying, all shades of purple are the best. This dark purple boot will look perfect with the rest. Now my boots are like the rainbow, little ladybird said. Purple, blue, and green, and yellow, orange, and red. See you next time for more stories. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share. See you next time. Bye bye.